Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to Printify allows you to run a print-on-demand store where products are automatically printed and shipped when a customer places an order. Once connected, Etsy orders will sync directly to Printify and the production partner handles printing, packaging, and delivery. This integration is one of the easiest ways to sell costume products on Etsy without holding inventory, okay? So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to Printify in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing first, create a Printify account. So before connecting your store, create a Printify account. So go to printify.com, click sign up, create an account using email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Log into your Printify dashboard after that. Okay. After logging in, when you log in, go to Printify dashboard, click my stores, select add a new store, and you will see several platforms options. Okay, then choose Etsy. Okay, so to link your Etsy shop, click connect Etsy store. You will be redirected to the Etsy login page. Okay, sign into your Etsy seller account, click allow access, and this authorizes Printify to sync products and receive orders. So Etsy must approve the connection. Then confirm the integration. So after authorization, your Etsy shop will appear in Printify, then my store. You should see store name, connected status, products management options. So this confirms that Etsy and Printify are successfully connected. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.